You can use the touchscreen display to view information and adjust settings for various vehicle systems. Touch the icons on the launch bar to access Home, Maps, Audio, Phone, Google Assistant, and Apps. Touch these icons to access Notifications, Settings, and Quick Settings. To return to the previous screen, touch the back key. Touch the Home key at any time to return to the main menu screen. Swipe the screen right or left to view additional menu screens. These screens are customizable to include your preferred widgets and apps. To customize the Home menu screen, touch and hold any of the widgets. Touch Add, then select the information you'd like displayed. You can touch this icon to remove a widget. Once you've made your selections, touch Save. Some functions cannot be operated while you're driving. They will be grayed out or muted on the screen. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.